Yeah, okay, I cut my hair. Hey guys, are you an artist or are you one of those people who keep asking local artists to lower their prices or do their work for free for you? Be honest. Today, I'll be reacting to people who think they are so important that artists should be honored to work for them for free. I still don't know what to title this video exactly as of now, but let's see what these people's reasonings are and let's get on with the video. I'm invited to Heidi Klum's Halloween party this year and I'm looking for a stylist and MUA who would like to get me ready for the event. Lots of press will be there, red carpet, Getty Images, TV from all over the world. I'd credit you in every publication possible. This is a great opportunity for someone who'd like to add this to their portfolio. It's not paid. If interested, please drop your website or handle below and I'll be in touch. Thanks, Heidi Klum, Halloween. Wow, hope someone can transform you into a paying client. So yeah, I mean, sometimes if an influencer is extremely popular and they have a ton of followers, then yeah, maybe working for free wouldn't hurt, because when they give you a shout out, their followers can in turn hire you for work, because a ton of people will follow you from their page, and if they like your work, they'll hire you. But I cannot just take someone's word just like that. Like, anyone can go on Facebook and just type in, oh, I was invited to so and so celebrity, so and so party, and that doesn't mean it's true, right? Hey, can you draw me? Yeah, sure. My price starts at 150 quid for a single A4 size black and white portrait. I'm broke. Is there any way you can do it for free? And then she sends that picture. You want that photo, Drew? Could you do that? I'll see what I can do. Okay, how long do you think? At least a day from when I begin. Okay, sounds good. Hey, it didn't take as long as I thought. I've never drawn someone whistling before. It was quite a challenge. Also, I changed your hat backwards. That's a cool way to wear it. And then cool hat, whistling. He deliberately wrote the spelling of whistling wrong. Iconic. Also, I wasn't whistling. Is your camera shutter controlled by blowing on it or something then? I mean, of course, this girl was doing the pouty duck face thing, that was a whole thing back in 2014 to 17. I don't know if people do it a lot these days. But yeah, Kylie Jenner was the one who started it, right? The whole... Yeah, I look stupid doing it, but of course this guy knew what this girl was doing, but he couldn't help but mess around with her, could he? Freeloaders. Design my next tattoo, please. Of course, I would love to. Just so you're aware, I do charge commission. Excuse me, you've got to be joking. You're not wrong. You're not good enough to be doing that stupidity. You're not even... It's giving me a lot of OCD and triggering me a lot. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna continue. You're not even famous. You're so conceited. Your art is mediocre at best. Never mind. I don't want a conceited person designing art that will go on my body. Okay. This client reminds me one of those guys, who keep texting women over and over and over again, and then if she doesn't respond, then he just goes back to, never mind, you were ugly anyway. Yeah. Pretty much the same thing. I see no difference. Why won't artists draw for me? Angry face, angry face. We'll find out. Because you asked for free drawing. What's wrong with it? Because why would you waste 2 to 5 hours on something just to give it for free to a complete stranger you don't even know? To be nice? Some of those people need to pay rent somehow, and if they keep doing stuff for free, they will live in the streets. If they live with parents, they don't need money. End of story. So what you're telling me is that instead of asking for money on something I spend a lot of time on, a lot of hard work and put a lot of effort in, I should just keep mooching off of my parents all my life. Yeah, you're right, there's a ton of pride in that. Yeah, why doesn't everyone do that? Why do people get jobs? What is the point of education? What is life? Hey, I saw those paintings you did and was wondering if I could buy any. Like get buy, not buy as in bought. Sure, what did you have in mind? Well, actually, I was wondering if you would do a request. I usually don't take requests. What would you have in mind? My friend's birthday is coming up and I want to get her a portrait. I dropped two, but not like yours. Here's what he looks like. And then there's the picture. When is his birthday? I can do it, but it may take me 1 to 2 weeks. Price will be $50. That's pretty generous, actually. Can you do it sooner? It's on the 9th. I was thinking instead of money, I could sell some of your paintings at the party and give you a cut. Can't do it by the 9th. I have exams coming up. It's $50. I'm not giving you a cut off my profits either. LOL. 50 is crazy. I offered to sell your paintings to a huge group of peeps. Could have had dollars, but instead you got leaf. I got leaf. Dirt, also blocked. It's one thing to just, like refuse and then say, okay, thank you. I mean, I'm not going to be able to afford that. And then there's, the other group of people who just, they cannot go to sleep at night without insulting the person who wouldn't give them something for free. $50 would equal to about, I don't know, like 3,500 or something like that. And just so you know, paintings are not something that expire. I don't have to tell you that, you know that. And I've had eyeshadow palettes that cost more than that. Hey girlie, how much for a set like this? Longer shape and a gem on the bottom of 2 middle fingers. $60. Length and shape is included. I don't charge for that. That's a bit too much for a simple set, plus you're not licensed. Your work is not even that good. Never mind, thank you. There you go, again, with the, oh, I love your work, can you do this for me? Sure, this is how much I charge. Never mind, you suck. You wanted to get your nails done by me, but my work isn't good. Shut your broke goopy ass up. But you're ugly. LMFAO, I can afford to get my nails done though. I think that's a good enough burn for you, a cheapskate who is also conceited for some reason. Hey, can you draw my OC? Hi, thank you for your interest. Unfortunately, I don't do requests, but my commissions are open. They range from 5 for sketches to upward of 25 for a reference sheet that looks like this if you're interested. Then the picture. Can't draw for free? Please, my mother is in the hospital and very sick and I'm sad. No money or PayPal. Yeah, let's just resort to emotional blackmail if nothing else works. I'm sorry, then unfortunately I cannot draw. I need commission in order to make a living. F you, this is why the art industry is full of greedy ass people. My mother is effing sick and this is how you treat me? Back in the days, people do requests and drawings for free. Art is about the people and shit. F your drawings, it wasn't even good anyways. If my mother dies, I hope you know that you are making me sadder and you are the baddest of people. Sorry, baddest of people. How dare you effing block me even after I told you my mother was dying? You literally have no heart. You know what? I actually have a shit ton of money, but because of your greed, I'm never going to commission you. I have thousands of followers on Facebook and YouTube. This was your one chance of redeeming yourself. I'll ask you nicely one more time. Do you do free art? I won't ask nicely again. I can end your career, so effing say yes. Do it for the fame and my mother who's dying. This is just one of thousands of dollars I have, you effing low-life artist. Hope you starve if you say no. Do it, be the kind person. Do it, do it, do it, be the kind person. Do it, do it, do it, be the kind person. Do it, do it, do it, be the kind person. Do it, do it. That was a bop, okay, if I've ever heard one. And okay, I have a question for you guys, all the extroverts and ambiverts out there. I'm not a very social person. I don't really go out a lot or mingle with people. And also, I just have a question for you guys. Why do people judge me when there are people like this out there? It bothers me and it scares me that someday maybe even I as a makeup artist will be approached by a client like this. Because I don't know what to say to this. I wouldn't know how to react. I don't know how to react right now. I don't know, you tell me. I don't know, you tell me. I don't know, you just tell me. I don't know how to react. I don't know, you tell me. I don't know, you tell me. I don't know. Hi, it's me. Blank told me you draw really good portraits. And this is kind of weird since we haven't spoken in years. But I was wondering if you could help me draw a picture of me. Sure, depending on what you want drawn, it might take a little long. I'm still new to watercolor, but I'll try my best. All my pictures are on 9 into 12 inch paper, and I have fixed a price of $50 per picture. Just send me what you want me to draw, and I'll work on it whenever I'm free. Wait, you charge for these things? I thought you draw it for free. I mean, a 9x12 isn't even that big of a paper. It shouldn't like take long, right? You do it then. You do it. I'm sorry, drawing or painting is really time consuming for me, and I don't believe $50 is too much considering I typically put several hours into my drawings. Okay, but like I'm a college student, I have to pay for tuition, textbooks, etc. Do you think you can do it for free this one time, please? I am also a college student. We are literally the same year. We graduated together. I also have tuition, textbooks, etc. to pay for. I'm really sorry, but I'm not willing to put in hours of effort for free when I'm busy with other things. Really? What things are so important that you can't do one little favor for a friend? Okay, first of all, Blank, I already told you that drawing is very time consuming. It is not a little favor, and like I said earlier, I too am a college student. Spring semester starts up again in less than 2 weeks. I need to study for the MCAT, I need to volunteer at the hospital, I need to shadow physicians, and I need to work to afford college. I also need to work to get money for college. That's why I need this picture for free. I can't afford $50 for some dumb picture. Well, I can't afford to spend several hours of my life drawing some dumb picture for some dumb entitled friend who can't understand that the world does not revolve around her. Thank you. I can't believe I was friends with such a birch like you. I asked for one simple favor and you treat me like this. Your drawings suck anyway. There you go, again. You guys are getting so many examples. And I can't find someone better to draw for me. I was gonna post your drawing on my Instagram and tag you, but I guess not anymore. You can have fun trying to find people who will actually pay for your trash drawings. Okay, just okay, completely unbothered. Your comments don't bother me because you are coming to me. You are asking for my help. You're just a cheapskate who can't pay for someone's time and effort. That's a you problem, not a me problem. Hi, when I went to pick up the kids today, I saw you had some empty canvas. I'm looking to give my wife a family portrait. I've seen your style and I like it. I'm wondering if you'll be down for it. You could gift it to us as a Christmas present. Who the hell do you think you are? I love to paint you guys, but I'm saving those canvases for when I have something on my mind or have a paid commission. They're gallery style and are quite expensive for me at the moment. I could probably paint them a portrait for fairly cheap if you can provide for the canvas yourself. You're my wife's best friend. You should do it for free. I'm spending close to $5,000 in gifts. Having kids is not cheap and is very stressing. So help me out. I'll even consider paying you for the few days you watch the kids for us. You can even buy the canvas from that money. What? Wait, what? I talked to Blank and she said she'd pay me for babysitting? I'm lost. Am I supposed to gift you an art piece for you to give to your wife so you can pass it as your gift? Kind of. Just giving a friend a hand in time of need. You already have some clean canvas. I don't know what the big deal is. You've already bought them and by the time you get inspired to paint, use them, you probably won't even be alive. I'm joking, lol. Seriously, you can even use us as an example and you can post it online. I bet you'll get sales and we help each other that way. Are you going to pay me for babysitting your kids this week? I'm not seeing this as a very fair deal and feel like you're trying to take advantage of me. Blank knows my current situation and I'm sure she'd understand. I can't spend 30 plus hours and using material I can't currently replace for free. I'm sorry, I hope this is a joke. LOL, you're not thinking straight. All artists need exposure and come on, you won't take that long. You should feel privileged. I want to have one of your paintings in my wall. This is for my wife. I thought she was like your sister. Can't you just make her Christmas? I can't do it. I'm sorry. I'm not feeling so well. Good night. You know, for all you guys out there who have refused to pay artists in the past, do you feel good about yourself? Do you feel good about yourself? You know, the universe is punishing you because of how greedy you are. I'm not even asking you to spend money because you already have unused material available. No wonder your life sucks. You have a bad vibe. I won't be bringing my kids anymore. Don't want your bad energy attached to them. Good luck. Hi, I'm sorry, I didn't think what I was saying yesterday. Can you take care of the kids today, please? I told Blank I'll take them to you. Our regular babysitter can't take them today. Can you take them right now? I know it's last minute and pretty early, but I have a biz I need to do. I'll be back by 10. I only need help with the twin anyway, and they're asleep, so you know what? I'm appalled. This whole video was a disrespect fest. I mean, there are people out there who actually believe that others will kiss the ground they walk on. Alright, so that was a doozy. And I do feel personally offended, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I am a professional makeup artist and I've had to work for a lot of people for free because people just don't want to pay. Now, before I get even more triggered, if you have watched this far, comment, art isn't free. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay safe. Bye.